fire that wouldn't dim inside. Not for the fame or light that gleams, not for applause or childhood dreams, but for a spark that would not fade, the kind that storms could never shade. It lived in bones and burned in breath, it danced with pain and dared with death. They broke its truth, they lost, they bled, they heard the doubts inside their head. Yet every time the world grew cold, they built again from ash and gold. They learned that strength is born, not bought, and silence speaks the loudest thought. Perseverance hides its crown, it doesn't scream, it doesn't drown. It walks through shadows, worn and torn, with every scar a badge it's worn. It doesn't beg, it doesn't plead, it's the soul's unspoken need. And those who walk through darkest stars, through storms that stripped away their powers, they carved their name in dust and flame, and rose again and rose the same. No map, no praise, no hand to hold, just stubborn hearts and spirits bold. So if they ask how dreams survive, say this: the fire stayed alive, not in the ones who only spoke, but in the ones who never broke.
Thank you for the performance.
There will be coming stars. I see this life like a swinging line, swing my heart across the line. In my face is flashing signs. See out and you shall find old, but I'm not that old. Young, but I'm not that bold. I don't think the world is sold, just doing what we're told. Lately I've been looking sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be. But lately I've been praying hard, say no more